So these two Airbnbs are almost identical. Same neighborhood, same layout, same price point, same 5-star reviews. So this one gets 847 views per month, while this one, it gets only 34 views per month. And the buried one has no idea it's even happening. And look, y'all, after hosting over 10,000 guests across a dozen cities, I finally figured out what's killing it. That's because Airbnb is tracking 4 things in the background. That's 4 signals that most hosts trigger without even realizing it. And if you've changed your price more than twice this month, if you've edited your description in the last 2 weeks, if a guest has asked you, hey, when will I get that code? You're triggering at least one of them right now. And if you get even one of these wrong, your listing could get buried. And so by the end of this video, you will know exactly which signal you're triggering, but most importantly, you will know how to stop it before it becomes permanent. And y'all, a few weeks ago, a host in Nashville messaged me. Great place, 4.9 stars, professional photos, not those photos you take from your phone, but 0 bookings over the last 18 days. And naturally, she thought the market had slowed down. Well, it didn't. I pulled her market data. Page 1 was fully booked. Page 2 was mostly booked, but her listing ended up on page 3. And that month, she got only 34 impressions on her listing. And most hosts don't even know this is happening because Airbnb is not going to send a warning email. There is no notification for this. Your listing just quietly begins to disappear. All right, and here's what you didn't realize. Airbnb doesn't rank listings based on effort. It doesn't rank listings based on how nice you are as the host, nor does it rank them based on how good your property looks. It ranks listings on how smooth the guest experience runs. And I can tell y'all, this is not only what the guest says after they leave your property, but what happens during their stay. So every moment where a guest hesitates, asks a question, gets a little bit confused, Airbnb is going to log that. And when you hit a certain threshold, your listing begins to just fade on Airbnb. So let me show you the 4 things that Airbnb is watching. And y'all, I want you to pay attention to this because it's really important. And this first one, well, it often catches people off guard. Response timing. And here's where it gets a little weird because this host answered some of the messages within 10 minutes. Others, she answered within about 6 hours. And to her, this felt fine because she thought, hey, I answered everyone. I was rude. And you're probably thinking the same thing. So Monday, 9 a.m., 8-minute reply. Monday, 2 p.m., 12-minute reply. Tuesday, 10 a.m., 7 hours. And that gap right there, that is what Airbnb sees. Not whether you were polite, not whether you eventually responded, but how consistent the rhythm of your replies were. And this is the part that feels a little harmless because you're the one doing it, right? You may think, hey, I got back to them. But Airbnb reads unpredictable. And unpredictable listings don't get shown on Airbnb. And after she fixed this one thing, her impressions grew from 34 to over 200 in 1 week. Same listing, same market, just that one change. Airbnb reads consistency as predictable. And y'all, it's predictable listings that get shown on Airbnb. And the second issue, this is where good intentions begin to backfire. And I'm talking about price changes. And this host changed her price 23 times in 2 weeks. And you might be thinking, same as me, well, that sounds a little bit extreme. But if you've adjusted your price even 3 times this month, you are much closer to this than you think. She thought she was being proactive. She thought she was optimizing, but Airbnb saw something else completely. Monday, 149, Tuesday, 165, Wednesday, back to 139. 5 changes, y'all, in just 5 days. And after 1 week, her impressions dropped by 40%. Same property, same photos, same market, just too much movement. And here's the scary part. She had no idea that this was the reason. She thought that bookings were just slowed down. And stable pricing tells Airbnb, well, this host knows their value. Whereas consistent pricing tells Airbnb, this host ain't guessing. And this third one, this one is sneaky because it feels like you're being helpful when you're doing it. And her check-in message said, I will send you the code when you're on your way. And if you've ever sent a message like this, well, go and keep watching because this is the part that looks harmless when you're doing it. And I get it. To some of us, this sounds helpful. You're being personal, you're being flexible, but here's what actually happened. Guess 1, hey, what time will I get that code? Guess 2, just checking, when should I expect that entry info? Guess 3, we're 10 minutes out. still waiting. Three messages that felt like really normal questions to her. But these are three friction points to Airbnb. That's because by the time these guests checked out, her listing had more guest-initiated messages than 90% of similar properties in Nashville. And by 2 weeks later, her impressions dropped again. And she never connected the dots. And let me just tell y'all, most hosts don't. Now compare that to this one. Your access code is 4782. Check-in time is at 3 p.m. Parking is in spot A7. Wi-Fi password is taped under the router. And this message was sent exactly 24 hours before check-in. It resulted in 0 messages during check-in. And let me just tell y'all, silence during guest check-in is gold. That's the target, because questions really equal friction, and friction equals lower rankings on Airbnb. And this last one, well, this is the one that gets a lot of hosts buried. Listing edits. And she rewrote her listing description 4 times in the past 10 days. And if you've edited yours even twice in the last month, this applies to you too. New headline, new wording, new emphasis. Each time she thought she was making it better, she wasn't. Instead, she was telling Airbnb, I'm still figuring this out. Now, here is the part that destroys new listings, because Airbnb watches this the hardest in your first 60 days on the platform. If you make these mistakes too early, your listing may never fully recover. And I tracked a listing in Phoenix, 8 description changes in the first month. 6 months later, that listing was still stuck at 20% occupancy. They stopped editing in month 2, but ranking didn't fully recover until month 8. 6 months of damage from 1 month of optimizing. And most hosts don't realize the hole that they're digging for themselves. And this is where good hosts accidentally make it worse. They see their booking drop, so what do? They try harder, more messages, more price adjustments, more optimizing. And every single one of these actions tells Airbnb the same thing. More messages mean unstable. More price changes means uncertain. More edits mean that you're still trying to figure it out. And in this case, your effort becomes the problem. And the more you try to fix it without really knowing what's wrong, the faster you sink on Airbnb. And if this is making sense to you, go and hit subscribe, because what I'm about to show you would finally stop this for the Nashville host. Not more effort, not better responses, not smarter pricing. 4 messages, that's it. 4 automated messages that removed every single friction point that Airbnb was tracking. Message 1, booking confirmation sent automatically within 10 minutes of booking. And here you're saying something like, hey, thanks for booking, insert the property name. Check-in is going to be on 3 p.m., insert the date. Your access code will arrive within 24 hours before your stay. Looking forward to hosting you. And y'all, you're not going to do any back and forth. No questions, just confirmation. Message 2, your pre-arrival message sent automatically 24 hours before check-in. Your access code is 4782. Check-ins at 3 p.m. Parking is in spot A7. The Wi-Fi network and password is taped under the router. Need anything? Text this number. Every question was answered before they even thought to ask. Now, message 3, this third message is your mid-stay check-in. And this is sent automatically the morning after their first night. You're going to say, morning, hope your first night was comfortable. Is everything working okay? Let me know if you need anything. And this message shows that you care without creating friction. And message 4 is sent automatically the morning that they're checking out. You're going to say something like, good morning, checkout is at 11 a.m. Please ensure the door is locked when you leave. Thanks for staying with us. Clear, simple, done. 4 messages, same timing every single stay. And this is what removes those destructive signals from that Nashville property. And you can automate all 4 of these messages in under about 20 minutes or so using software like HostAway, Hospitable, or Guesty, or really, you can use Airbnb's own schedule message feature. Set it once and forget it. Now, here's what you should stop doing. Stop changing prices every day. Stop rewriting your listing every week. Stop spending hours crafting the perfect reply. Because Airbnb isn't grading your writing skills. It is, however, grading your predictability. That Nashville host I mentioned at the beginning, she fixed all 4 things. No rebrand, no reshoot, no discounts. 3 weeks later, 34 impressions became over 600. Page 3 to page 1. Same house, same photos, same market. She just stopped triggering these signals. And look, if you're getting value from this, do me a favor. Hit the like button. It genuinely helps us reach other hosts who need it. And if you're watching this thinking, hey, I might be triggering one of these right now, well, I put together a free setup checklist in the description. This is the same one I use when I'm doing paid audits of listings across the country. And it tells you everything you need to set up your Airbnb right from day one. And also all the unnecessary things that you can ignore because they don't actually drive your revenue, your bookings, or your rating on Airbnb. It takes just a few minutes to review, and the link's in the description. And if your listing is getting views but not converting to bookings, the next problem is usually your photos. And so this next video breaks down the exact 7 Airbnb shots the algorithm prioritizes and why most hosts get the order completely backwards. So watch this before you reshoot anything, because the wrong photo order can kill conversions the same way that the signals in this video do. And go there next, because when you pair what you've learned in this video with that one, you're going to be ahead of 90% of the other hosts in your market. See you over there.